Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 2 highest paying money making apps in 2022. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free Moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out this channel and it helps out this video to go viral. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all, what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. It could happen at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of this video. So you need to watch the whole video. The reason why is because it's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let me hop over here to the first highest paying money making app. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up the first app. Name of this app is Rakuten, Cashback, and more. So what we're going to do is look at the screenshots so you can see what it's all about. Alright, so get cash back at stores you love. Shop over 3,500 stores. As you can see here are all some of the stores right here. Very popular stores. Save on your favorite brands. Very popular brands you're going to be saving money on. Plus you're going to get deals and coupons. And it's over 3.5 billion cash back earned. That's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. And Ebates is now on Rakuten. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So, can you really get paid to shop at your favorite stores? Yes. Get cash back, shopping deals and offers at 3,500 plus stores. You shop at stores, they pay you, and they split the money with you when you shop at your favorite stores. So that's how that works, guys. So check this out. When you sign up, it's free to sign up. You're going to get $10 as a welcome bonus. How about that, guys? Now, it says here millions of members love Rakuten. Here's why. Shop at 3,500 stores like Macy's, eBay, Kohl's, Nordstrom. Earn cash back on purchases. Earn the best coupons and promo codes. And experience the #1 cashback app. 2.2 billion of rewards earned so far. So we talked about the 3,500 stores, the deals. You're going to get paid through PayPal. You get your $10 bonus. And check this out, guys. You're going to love this. Refer friends and earn $30 plus. So unlimited $30 bonus when you refer friends. 1 friend equals $30, 3 friends equals $90, and 10 friends equals $300. All you need is 3 friends, guys, and you're going to get $300. How about that? And you can earn cash back on gift cards. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.1. So you notice this is a good app when it's over 4.0 stars. Now guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to read any reviews. You can come to this app, read the reviews yourself. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. So if you're ready to go ahead and make some good money with this app, go ahead and go to Rakuten, Cashback, and more. Now let me go to the second app. Okay guys, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is Sell Your Photos. Now you're going to love this, guys. So let's just look at the screenshots right quick. So you're going to discover all different type of photos, and you'll be able to sell your photos and earn money, guys. So that's what you're going to be doing with this app. You're going to sell photos and make some good money. So you can enhance your photos with filters. And you can also learn how to sell your photos on this app. They'll give you tips and tricks. And check this out, guys. How I made my first $1,000 selling photos online. That is crazy. And enter your photo and you can win. So you can get rewarded when you enter your photo into a contest. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So turn your inspiration into money with Join a community of over 8 million creators around the globe. So this is worldwide, guys. Gain exposure, share your inspiration, and sell your photos all in one place. Now let's just read a little bit more. So your inspiration is your passion. Make money, sell photos, perfect pictures. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5.0 is 4.4 stars. Now this is a very, very good app, guys, because anything that's almost halfway to 5 stars, you know it's very good. Now, I'm not going to read these reviews, guys. Again, you can come here, check out the app, read the reviews, make your own decision on if you want to make this money selling photos. So go ahead and go to Sell Your Photos, get started, and make this money. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Please share these videos. Let's get this channel to go to 8,000 subscribers and more. My goal is to get to at least 10,000 by the end of this year. I know I can make it. Let's get there, guys. Because you know why? We're the grind family. We're the latest and best money-making channel on YouTube. Alright, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and stay prosperous.